In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find features of the GasBuddy app. First, let's open the GasBuddy app. You will see the app icon on your device's home screen. Tapping on it brings the app to life, displaying a clean and user-friendly interface. This is your starting point for accessing all the great features the app has to offer. Opening the app is crucial as it connects you to the latest fuel prices and rewards, making your driving experience more economical. Once you tap on the icon, you may notice a brief loading screen which indicates that the app is fetching the latest data. Next up, tap the menu profile or browse the bottom navigation bar. The bottom navigation bar is an essential part of your GasBuddy experience. It allows you to navigate quickly through various sections of the app. Depending on your device, you might see icons that represent different functions. This step matters because familiarizing yourself with the navigation tools will save you time later. You will feel more comfortable exploring the app when you know where to find everything. After that, let's explore the available sections. One of the first sections you will see is Find Gas. Tapping this option allows you to compare nearby fuel prices. Here you can view a list of gas stations in your area, along with their current prices. This feature is important because it helps you find the best deals on fuel, saving you money. You will notice that prices are updated frequently, ensuring you have the most accurate information available. Once you are familiar with the Find Gas section, let's move on to the Rewards/Win feature. Here you can earn and redeem points or credits. This section is a great way to save even more on your fuel expenses. You may find challenges or promotions that can earn you additional points. Engaging with this feature not only rewards you, but also encourages you to use the app more frequently. Keep an eye on this section for upcoming promotions. From there, tap on Pay with GasBuddy Plus. This feature allows you to save on fuel purchases directly through the app. By using GasBuddy Plus for transactions, you can enjoy discounts at participating gas stations. This is crucial because it streamlines your fuel purchasing process and maximizes your savings. You will likely find a list of participating locations, making it easy to find where you can use this feature. Now let's check out My Car. Tapping this option enables you to track your fuel logs, mileage, and vehicle expenses. This section is beneficial for keeping an eye on your vehicle's performance and managing your budget. You can input data about your trips, fuel purchases, and maintenance. This little step saves you a lot of time later by providing a comprehensive view of your vehicle's efficiency. Next, we have the Flash Deals section. Here you can activate fuel discounts and special offers. This feature provides an opportunity to save even more on your fuel expenses. You may find limited-time offers that could lead to significant savings. Activating these deals is easy, and you will see notifications when new offers become available. Keeping an eye on this section can help you save money consistently. Finally, let's explore trip planning or search along route. This option allows you to find the cheapest gas on your route. By entering your destination, the app provides you with a list of gas stations along the way, complete with prices. This feature is particularly useful for long drives, ensuring you don't overspend on fuel during your journey. With this tool, you can plan effectively and maximize your savings on the road. Now that you know how to navigate and find the features of the GasBuddy app, you are well on your way to making smarter fuel choices. Enjoy the savings and safe travels.